Can your employer legally monitor your phone, emails, and WhatsApp messages in Nigeria? Have you ever wondered whether your employer can read your emails, monitor your phone, or even access your WhatsApp messages? Many employees assume the answer is either yes or no. In reality, the legal position is more nuanced. Understanding your rights and your employer's rights is essential in today's digital workplace. In this video, we'll examine what Nigerian employment law, workplace policies, and privacy principles generally say about employee monitoring. We'll also discuss practical situations employees and employers encounter every day. Let's get started. What is employee monitoring? Employee monitoring refers to the ways organizations supervise or review work-related activities. This may include company email accounts, internet usage, company-issued laptops, company mobile phones, CCTV in the workplace, access cards, and attendance systems. Monitoring is usually intended to protect company information, improve security, ensure compliance, and safeguard business operations. Can your employer monitor company email? Generally, yes, if the email account belongs to the organization and is provided for work purposes. Employers often have legitimate reasons to monitor or audit its use. However, organizations should have clear workplace policies explaining what may be monitored, why monitoring takes place, and how information will be handled. Employees should read and understand these policies. What about your personal email? This is different. Your personal email account is generally entitled to greater privacy. An employer should not routinely access a personal email account simply because it is accessed at work. However, using personal email on company devices or company networks may create situations where certain technical information, such as internet traffic or security logs, is visible to the employer. That does not necessarily mean the employer has the right to read the contents of your personal emails. Can your employer read your WhatsApp messages? If you use WhatsApp on your personal phone and personal account, there is generally a stronger expectation of privacy. However, circumstances matter. Questions to consider include: is it your own device or a company-issued device? Is it a personal WhatsApp account or an official business account? Have you agreed to monitoring under company policies? If an employer provides a company device or manages a business messaging platform, different rules may apply. Company devices versus personal devices. One of the biggest misunderstandings in the workplace is assuming that company devices offer the same level of privacy as personal devices. Company laptops, company phones, and company email systems are business assets. Many organizations reserve the right to monitor them for legitimate business purposes. Personal devices generally attract stronger privacy expectations. Why do employers monitor? Responsible employers may monitor workplace systems to protect confidential information, prevent cyber attacks, investigate misconduct, comply with legal obligations, protect customers, maintain productivity, and reduce security risks. Monitoring should be proportionate, transparent, and connected to legitimate business purposes. What should employees do? Employees should read workplace IT and communication policies, separate personal and work communications where possible, avoid storing sensitive personal information on company devices, use company systems professionally, ask HR if workplace monitoring policies are unclear. What should employers do? Good employers should develop clear IT and monitoring policies, inform employees about workplace monitoring, respect employee privacy, protect personal information, ensure monitoring is reasonable and lawful, comply with applicable Nigerian privacy and data protection requirements. WLIA Professional. Tip: transparency builds trust. When employers clearly explain what is monitored and why, misunderstandings reduce and workplace relationships improve. Employees also benefit by understanding that company systems are primarily intended for business purposes. Conclusion: technology has transformed the modern workplace. The question is no longer whether monitoring exists, but whether it is carried out fairly, transparently, and for legitimate business reasons. Both employers and employees have responsibilities. Understanding workplace policies, respecting privacy, and maintaining professionalism help create a safer and more productive workplace for everyone. If you found this video helpful, follow WLIA, like and share.